Good morning, Standard 4. How are you children during this pandemic? I think all of you are well and stay at home and maintain the cleanliness and hygiene. Eat healthy food children and also cooperate with your parents and also help your younger sisters and brothers. So children, today I am going to start word problem. Word problem, it means a story form of the problem. So in the word problem, the question is there, but you have to find out what is being asked in the question, in the story. So here is the first story. Question number 1. 3 milkmen are separately carrying 36 liter 250 milliliter and 56 liter 396 milliliter and 66 liter 324 milliliter of milk in the container. So here 3 milkmen, 1, 2 and 3. They are containing the container. This is the container number 1, container number 2 and this is the container number 3. Right. Firstly, understand the story. Here in the story, 3 milkmen. 1, 2, 3. These 3 milkmen are separately carrying the container, each which is capacity is 36 liter 250 milliliter of milk. This is the first container. The second man is carrying the container which has 56 liter and 396 milliliter of milk. Okay. Now this third one. This container carries 66 liter and 324 milliliter. So in the story, 3 milkmen are separately carrying 3 containers of milk. First container is carrying 36 liter 250 milliliter of milk. Correct? Second one is carrying 56 liter 396 milliliter of what? Milk. And third one is carrying 66 liter 324 milliliter of milk. So now the problem. Find out what is the total quantity. Total. Always remember. This is the punchline, student. Total. This is the punchline. Total. Total means addition. What you have to do? Addition. Total means addition. So now question is, what is the total quantity of milk with them? Total means you have to add this 1 plus 2 plus 3. So now let us move forward. Let us solve this question. So how you will start it? The quantity of milk carried by first milkman is equal to what? Right? Now quantity of milk carried by second milkman is equal to what? Now third quantity of milk carried by third man is equal to what? What we will do? You have to do. So firstly it is quantity of milk carried by the first man is 36 liter and 250 milliliter. Now come to the second. Quantity of milk carried by the second milkman is 56 liter and 396 milliliter. Now come to the third. The quantity of milk carried by the third man is 66 liter 324 milliliter. So we have to find out total quantity of milk. So what we will do? Total quantities of milk equal to what you will do? We will add this 36 liter 250 milliliter plus 56 liter 396 milliliter plus 66 liter 324 milliliter. So let us do the addition. So here we will make the two columns, liter and milliliter. So here firstly start to write down 36 liter 250 milliliter, 56 liter 396 milliliter, 66 liter 324 milliliter. Now do the addition. Firstly what we will do? We will add to the right side and we add the smallest unit. Here liter, milliliter is a smaller than liter. So I will start from right side. So what you have to do? You have to add all this 250 milliliter plus 396 milliliter plus 324 milliliter. So what you will get after addition? It will be added 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 5 plus 2, 7, 17, 1 carry over, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. It is 970. You write down here 970 milliliter. Now come to this liter section. We added 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18, 8, 1 carry over. Now 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So it is 158 liter and 970 milliliter. It is the total quantity of milk which is carried by the three milkmen separately. The three milkmen together carried 158 liter and 970 milliliter. Now come to next story, children. A shopkeeper purchased 45 liter 500 milliliter of mineral water. A shopkeeper purchased 45 liter 500 milliliter of mineral water. During the day he sold out 28 liter 755 milliliter water. How much mineral water was left with him? So here, children, all of you see, there are few punchlines are there. Just listen carefully. A shopkeeper purchased 45 liter 500 milliliter of mineral water. So this 45 liter 500 milliliter is what? It is the mineral water that a shopkeeper purchased. Right? Now during the day he sold out 28 liter 755 milliliter of water. So what is this 28 liter 755 milliliter? It is the quantity of water that was sold out by this shopkeeper. Right? Now, how much mineral water was left with him? Left. This is the punchline of this problem. Left. Left means remained with him. Okay. So, it means what you have to do? We have to do subtraction, children. So, here the words remaining, leave, left, differences, leftover, all these words are related with subtraction. So, firstly, what do we understand? Let us explain with the help of 4 square method. So, first is keyword. What was the keyword here? Left. What is the meaning of left? Which operation we will use? Minus. Right? Next is planning. What we will do? So here the quantity of this water. This is the water. Total quantity of water, and then some water is taken away. It means subtracted with some water. Right? It is total water. Taken away some water. Then how much is left? This is the planning. What we will do? So here we will solve it. What we have done? From the total water, we do subtraction. What we do? Subtraction. Correct? Right? And next is we will check. We will check this operation whether the subtraction is correct or not. So here, firstly, what we will write down, all of you see that quantity of water, mineral water purchased, that is equals what? What? And then quantity of water sold out is equal to what? So here in the question, quantity of total mineral water is 45 liter and 500 milliliter, and quantity of water sold out is 28 liter and 755 milliliter. Now the punchline that quantity of water left is equal to what? So in order to find out left, we will have to do which operation? Subtraction. So here let us find, firstly write down the two columns, liter and milliliter. So write down the total quantity of water is 45 liter and 500 milliliter. And from that, this quantity, how many quantity is, what quantity is sold out? It is 28 liter and 755 milliliter. Now leftover quantity you have to find. We will do subtraction operation. Now come to listen here. All of you look here. So we will start the subtraction from the right hand side. Here we see that this is minuend and this is subtrahend. Here 500, we will start subtraction from this milliliter. Here 500 is less than 755. Is the subtraction possible? No. Why? Because 500 is less than 755. So subtraction is not possible. Then what we will do? Borrow. Always remember, whenever minuend is less, we have to borrow from the neighboring minuend, right? So here I will borrow when the milliliter is less, then I have to borrow 1 liter from the liter column. So I will borrow 1 liter. So this 45 will reduce to 44. And this 1 liter, it has 1000 milliliter, correct? And it will be added with this 500 milliliter. Now it becomes 1500 milliliter. Now this 500 will be changed into 1500, okay, milliliter. Now we can easily subtract. From 1500 we can subtract 755, right? So here let's do the subtraction. What you will get? This 0 will become 10, and this 0 is also 10, and this is 5 will reduce to 4, right? Now here again this 10 will become 9. Now easily you can do it. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 and 1. 14 minus 7 is what? 7. So it is 745 milliliter. Now here 4 minus 8. It is not possible. So 4 will become 14. And here 4 will reduce to 3. So 14 minus 8 is 6. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is 16 liter and 745 milliliter. So this 16 liter 745 milliliter of water was left. Okay children. Now come to the next question. Next question is question number C. Raju mixes 2 liter 750 milliliter of cow's milk in 7 liter 5 milliliter of buffalo's milk. Okay. How much milk did Raju have in all? So here children, all of you see, Raju mixes 2 liter 750 milliliter of cow's milk. Where? With 7 liter 5 milliliter of buffalo's milk. These are the two punch lines. Cow's milk and buffalo's milk. Both are mixed. Right? Now how much milk did Raju have in all? This is the third punch line. Correct? Now let us understand with the help of this 4 square method. In the case of 4 square method, all of you see. First is, what are the keywords? Main keyword, keywords in all. In all. It means what? It means it is addition, right? Second thing you will do planning. This cow's milk and then this is cow's milk and plus buffalo's milk. Both are added. It means plus. Okay, now you will solve the problem. What is the problem? 2 liter 750 milliliter will be added with 7 liter and 5 milliliter. Right? Now, here we see that firstly we have to mix. Both are mixed, cow's milk and buffalo's milk. Both are mixed. Right? So, what we will do? We have to do addition. Now here, quantity of cow's milk is what? It is equals 2 liter 750 milliliter. Now quantity of buffalo's milk is what? 7 liter and 5 milliliter. So total is equal to what? What we will do? 2 liter 750 milliliter will be added with what? 7 liter and 5 milliliter. Correct? Now let us do addition. So here, let us do addition. So firstly we will make the column liter, milliliter. Firstly write down cow's milk 2 liter 750 milliliter. Next write down the buffalo's milk 7 liter and 5 milliliter. Remember that. You will write down 5 here. Now add 0 to the left side. Now we do the total milks are mixed together. So it is addition, right? Now we do the addition. 5, start from the right hand side, milliliter column. So 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7. This is milliliter. 2 plus 7 is 9 liter. So children, you have seen that you have to firstly understand the meaning of words which are used in the story problems, right? So here you have seen that Raju mixes 2 cow's milk. This is cow's milk, this is buffalo's milk. So these 2 milks are mixed together and then the total milk is 9 liter 755 milliliter. So children, I think you have enjoyed my class and you watch this video carefully and then firstly read the problem very attentively and then find out the punchlines and then you will be able to do the problem. So your C work is you have to do A, B and C, and H work is you have to do D, E and F of worksheet number 4, right? Worksheet number 4 and it's unit number 7. Till then, goodbye. Shabak hai.